Welcome, everyone. Thanks, John. Welcome, everyone. My name is Pamela Orem. I'm the Social Studies Curriculum Coordinator for the Anchorage School District. And I'm with you and have you stare at me kind of funny. So I'm going off, but I'm going to continue visiting with you for just a second. All right, so I just want to, on behalf of Chip Abalafia, the curriculum specialist of the Lower Kuskokwim School District, and myself, I really want to welcome each and every one of you for our very first web-based credit class. It's called Encounters, Historical Threads in Alaska Studies. I also need to acknowledge the support of the Alaska Council of Social Studies because they partnered with us in this project, and hopefully we'll have more projects like this where we partner together. Chip and I came together, and our goal was to try to produce excellent web-based professional development for Alaska Studies teachers for across the entire state. And this class is the very first class that we're going to try to achieve that goal or move towards our goal. And so it's very, very important that you guys participate because we need your feedback and support so that we can fine-tune it, make it better, and hopefully go even wider across the state down the road and offer more classes like this. It's also important that we collaborate and learn from each other. I also want to welcome the Bering Strait School District along with the Lower Kuskokwim, and we're really happy to have a few teachers from Bering Strait, and also want to welcome their coordinator, Karen Baranek. I think that's how you say it. I also want to introduce Dr. Katie Ringsmuth. You can see her picture there. She's here already. She's going to be our professor, and she's going to provide the historical foundation for you in this class. She received her doctorate degree from Washington State University. She's the past president of the Alaska Historical Society. She's a member of the Cook Inlet Historical Society. I know because I am too. I'm the board of directors. So we're also very excited to have her provide the historical foundation alignment to our curriculum. Our idea was to have a professor share the historical perspective, but also have with you so you guys can have conversations that further what you do in the classroom, and they'll share their best practice and you guys can share your wonderful ideas. And so we have two expert teachers. Kristen Henke is from the Lower Kuskokwim School District, and she's our elementary teacher expert. And Linda Prince is from the Anchorage School District and from Bartlett High School, and she'll be our secondary teacher expert. And after our discussion and lecture from the historical perspective, you'll break out into different additional rooms and have conversations with these teacher experts. The final member of our team you already met, and that's John Trampush. He's our absolute tech guru and support for this whole project. He's worked unbelievable hours already because there's so much you have to do to front end load these kind of activities. But he is from the Anchorage School District Professional Learning Department, and he is also on the Alaska Council for Social Studies. And he'll support all of us with all of our technology and our websites and troubleshoot things for us as we move through the process. I will be the teacher of record for this course, so if you have any questions or concerns, you can contact me. And you've been receiving emails from me for a while, so hopefully you can just reply. You also should have received the paperwork necessary to sign up for the 1 credit class from UAA. That paperwork must be filled out, and you must electronically pay for the credit by February 1st if you want to be enrolled in the class. So I sent the paperwork to my teachers. I believe Chip sent them to his teachers, but also as you look at your screen right here, on the far right at the bottom, you see support readings. If you just scroll down through the support readings, if you click on it and you just tab down, the very last one, okay, second to last, I'm sorry, it should say Encounters UAA PDF. If you click on that, you can, and then click on the download file button, you can download it today, right now to your computer, and you can make sure that you have the paperwork and you're able to fill it out and follow the steps to register for the UAA class. So with that, I'm going to turn the time over to Dr. Katie Ringsmuth, our professor, and she's going to start discussion with you and laying the foundation for her first lecture for tonight. Again, we're so very thankful to have each and every one of you here, and at the end we'll take you through the next steps of her lecture. We'll take you through the next steps of the class. Have a good evening.
Okay.